Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I'm going to show you some fun ways to use the string eggs from the Dollar Tree to make some Easter decor. For the first one, I'm using the little plant picks that have the eggs on them. It's a little tricky to get them off, so I recommend using a heat gun like this to melt the glue. Otherwise, your strings might come untangled like that one, so you have to be really careful. But I picked up all of the pastel colors I could find at my store, and I'm going to put them on one of the Dollar Tree wood signs like this and just kind of make an art display out of the eggs, alternating the colors and filling it all the way up. I found I could do 5 across and 4 down on this one. This was so easy to do. All I have to do is hot glue these to my sign to make a great little Easter egg display. Now, I thought the frame was a little plain, that MDF board, so to dress it up a little bit, I'm going to use some reindeer moss. I think that's going to go well with the egg theme, make it look a little bit more like a nest, and I'm just going to do a thin bead of that all the way around. Actually, this is the floral moss. I said reindeer moss, but this is the thinner. You could really use either one. The floral moss is more like individual pieces like this, I've noticed, but it worked well for this because it was a skinny frame. And I just go all the way around here with this, and this turned out so cute. And I have another Easter string egg DIY as well in today's video. But this is how the first one turned out. Isn't it so cute? A little Easter egg art display. I love it. For the next one, I chose the large string eggs, and we're going to make a nest of them. I picked up one of these little coconut fiber liners for a planter, and I think it kind of looks like a nest, right? We're going to make a fun little display here, super easy. You could use this anywhere, maybe out on your porch. I don't know if it would be heavy enough to not blow away. You might need to put some rocks in the bottom. But I filled my nest with Spanish moss because I think that really gives you the nest feel. And again, I picked up the string eggs in different pastel colors. These are ornaments, so you do have to cut off the little hanger on these to get the individual eggs. But all you have to do is pile these in your little Easter nest. Isn't this so cute? It's a pretty large display. It really gives you a lot of bang for your buck, but another string egg DIY project. Now, I did notice that mine was a little wobbly, so I am going to weigh mine down with just some Dollar Tree pebbles here in the bottom. It always seems to work well when you have a lightweight project like this, and then just pile everything back in our little Easter nest. Really easy to do. You could add some other little shapes in there for Easter or items that you might have, but I think just the eggs in the nest looks really cute, and I want to make sure that it's really full with the Spanish moss. So another string egg Dollar Tree DIY, really fun. I love how these two projects turned out. If you'd like more Easter Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to visit me at Crafty Beach on YouTube. And until next time, happy crafting!